Hey, it's John-Marc, and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a retro style plumber. Kind of like a logo that you might want to do for a business. Just something a little bit out of the ordinary, so this is what you can actually learn to do when you are a cartoonist and everything. Alright, so before we get started, as I always say, you got your pencil and some paper? We got everything. All right, let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun video lesson, and I hope you learned something out of it. Practically speaking, as an artist, you need to have variety styles. And here's a perfect example, having a style that could actually make you some money. So I hope you can learn something from this and possibly get a project or two out of it. All right, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.